Welcome back to another Vite Motorsports prediction. So we're gonna give this whole making a video thing another try. We got some new batteries and everything, so that's good. So today we're gonna get the welder out and do some welding. I need to re-weld this nut back on, so I gotta grind this one off and re-weld a new one on there because the little U-bolt that, or eyelet I guess it says, that this goes into, all the threads got screwed up on it, so I need to fix that. And then I need to weld right here where that joins. The old one was welded there, so I need to weld that. Shoot a little paint on it and call it good. So yeah, that's what we're going to be working on. We'll probably also get the bed and fenders and everything hooked back up and installed, so it's back together. It's just sitting here right now. I threaded up this is the breather, so the bed got melted at some point, not before me, so there's a hole here that it melted through, so I'm going to leave that there and put the breather right there. So I kind of waited on that until everything was right and correct, which we're pretty close to correct, I think. So yeah. Okay guys, sorry for the wind. Get out of the wind. Here we go. So that's what we're gonna do this afternoon. It's probably a pretty quick video, I hope, and it'll have some sparks and all kinds of fun stuff. Alright guys, I'll see you on the flip side. Alright guys, so I don't admit to be a welder. This is kind of a booger job for sure. I've gotten slowly better at stick welding, but like this weld's pretty shitty for sure. This one's not as bad. It doesn't look very good, but it's not as bad. It's a better weld overall. And then I welded the it's a little warm still. I welded the U-bolts because this is going to have pressure going out, which could separate it and then it could come apart on you. So we don't want that. I'm actually going to move these so it doesn't melt my yeah, it's a little hot still. So we're just going to put these on the ground. We don't need to be melting plastic. Wait for those to cool down. In the meantime, we'll probably, I forgot that I need to get the I took off the rear tail light. Right, English. It's really hard today. Rear tail light harness, so I need to get that back under there and plugged in, and then we'll start bolting this thing back down and get it done. So slowly but surely, it's coming along. Got a bunch of stuff I need to get back installed so that it can be rattle free. It's running, so like I said, I'll take you guys for a spin on it when probably not today but tomorrow. And she's doing really good. I think the clutch might be on its way out, and I also think the fuel pump might be on its way out, because The Victory gave me the same problem. Victory and Polaris are made by the same company, obviously, and if they sit for too long, it seems those fuel pumps go out. So it's acting similar, different but similar. It's not wanting to start when it's cold, runs okay, but seems to have like a miss every once in a while. So I just need to find, there's supposedly a port so I can do a fuel pump test, see how much pressure it's getting. So we'll go there. Alright guys, get you back to a time lapse and we'll start getting this thing bolted back in. Alright guys, see you in a minute. Alright guys, that's probably going to be about it for tonight. It looks like I'm getting summoned for dinner, so we've got all the bolts I think found and put into place. One that I feel like is missing, but he is nowhere to be found, so I'm not sure yet. He might be in one of my bags still, but we will find it, and if not, we'll get a new one or something. So yeah, that's it. So that's gonna be the video for the day. Not too long, but it gets us started down the right path. Gets everything kind of set where we need to. Just have to tighten it up and get her all locked in. All right, guys. Probably until tomorrow. I will see you guys on the flip side. Oh, god dang! Keep forgetting to do this. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, please. All right, guys. Till next time. Peace.